Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a perfect dinner for my family. Chicken breast wrapped with turkey bacon. If you want, you may substitute with pork bacon. It's a quick and easy recipe. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. I'm using chicken breast tenderloins. They are all natural and hormone and steroid free. Pat dry and set them aside. I'm using turkey bacon to wrap the chicken breast. Marinate the chicken with salt to taste. Today I'm using some Himalayan pink salt. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. 1 or 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix them well. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Take the tenderloins and make it into a spiral shape. I'm using 2 pieces. Take a strip of bacon and wrap it around the chicken. You need some toothpicks to hold the shape. I'm going to spare them to hold the bacon. I'm going to show you one more time. It looks good. This is optional. If you want, you may sprinkle some crushed rosemary. This is homemade dried mint leaves. I'm going to upload how to make and store mint leaves soon. This is also optional, but it gives a nice flavor to the recipe. I'm going to pan fry them. I love to use this grilling pan because it makes lovely grill marks. That's where the flavor is. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil over medium heat. Spread the oil evenly with a brush. Once it's hot, place the chicken wrap on the pan and cook for 4 to 6 minutes on each side. Sprinkle some rosemary. And mint leaves on the other side too. Flip them over and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to make some sides. I have some carrots and portobello mushrooms. Cut them and set them aside. Also cook the sides so the bacon will be nice and crispy. Make sure it cooks thoroughly. In the same pan, add a teaspoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add carrots and mushrooms along with some salt to taste. Saute for a few minutes. Vegetables are a great side dish to this recipe, so please cook your favorite ones. Take them off and put on a plate. It looks so good and it came out very well. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas, everyone.